Alright, we're starting this video off on a quick trip. This is my first day off heading to Innovative Autoworx. Finally, my tires are in, they're set up, loaded them up on my trailer. Heading home now, finally happy. And I'm going to show you guys this Jeep just as I'm pulling out. Person that owns it is Cooper, he works there. He's got a JK on 1-tons and running 40s. And JK 1-tons and 40s looks pretty darn sweet, I tell you. Look at that. That is badass right there. Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. This is Jerry from BackCountry Wrenching, and as you guys just seen, I picked up the rims and tires for my Jeep. Just under $4K for a set of 5 tires and rims. Gonna tell you right now, I don't know if it's just because of supply chain issues or anything else, but trying to get a rim with the offset, 17-inch, 5 on 4.5, 4-inch offset seemed to be almost impossible. If I was looking for the JK 5 on 5, would have been simple. For some reason, for the TJ and a 17-inch rim, it was like the unicorn trying to find a rim and tire set for it. I don't know if I should be doing that. It's friggin' hot outside. So here we are. I went with Black Rhino rims with Nitto Trail Grapplers MT 35, 12.5, 17. Set of 5. Because there's no sense going with a set of 4 because it'd be just absolutely useless. Man, I just wheeled them off the trailer into the garage and I already got a big rock stuck in them. So a couple things I'm going to do right now is to see if I'm going to have any issues mounting on the back tire rack. When I did this, I might have enough spacing. We're going to find out that. But then I'm going to put the rear tires on first. Then I got a power stop brake kit for the front and a new battery. The old battery finally died. The last time I went to go drive the Jeep, I had to boost it. And then I drove it for a little bit. Then I went to go drive it again 20 minutes later. No go. Well, the old battery is about 7 years old, so it's time to pack it in. Now, I also ran some errands. Since I'm off for 5 days now, I went up to Cabela's. And while I was at Cabela's, I always searched the flyers. I said I wasn't going to buy anything for a while, but I have a meat slicer that I used to make jerky for, but they had like a jerky strip maker, whatever you want to call it, jerky slicer. So I picked up that, and I'm going to pick up a roast tomorrow. Not in this video, it's going to be a separate video, but I'm going to make some jerky with the slicer, and I picked up some spices and stuff, so I'm going to be pretty excited for that. Things are pretty smoky to the west. I don't think there's too many forest fires in Alberta right now, but I think in BC. Let's get this off. This is going to be an issue. Probably going to have to do something different for that. I'm going to get this old tire off, and then we can start this journey. Supposed to go cutting wood tomorrow. However, last night I started to develop a cough. And then COVID's going around work. So this is the crazy thing with COVID right now. And this is from a lot of companies, is that they used to pay for you to be off. Now they aren't. I'm on days off right now for 5 days, but there we go. So I got pretty good fitment on the OR Fab tire carrier. Got one little light sticking up there. However, what I will do is take the tire back off, because I'm gonna weld up that little brace in there, just so the tire's a little bit more sturdy. So originally, when I built this rear part of it, the original OR fab did have a design that it would spin out lengthwise. But now, I'm just gonna weld this piece onto that piece to make it solider before I just had the bracing. Then I'll weld those holes in there. Oh, she's a hot one today. 31 degrees. Got the old Princess Auto Power Fist jack. Moment of truth is here. Spare tires on. Now it's to see the real action. Kind of curious to see how much they're going to stick out. The old trusty Princess Auto torque wrench. Torque them down. Three rear ones are on. Tomorrow I'll probably list these rims and tires for sale. 31s. Ion alloy rims. Got the correct back spacing to run larger tires, like 4-inch. Lots of tread left. Probably gonna list them for like $550. Well, it's been over a week since getting COVID, and finally on the mend. My voice is coming back. I tell you right now, it's probably been the sickest I've ever been. For 4 days, I had to sleep sitting up, because if I laid down, I coughed uncontrollably. So I had to sleep sitting up, and it was very uncomfortable. Didn't get much sleep. The only thing I did was I binged watched a whole series of a TV show called The Last Ship. It's basically what I did for like a week. Binge watch TV, because that's all I could really do. And I'm going to try to get the last tires on the front of the Jeep. Get the power stop brakes in, get one side up at least. Okay, got the front end jacked up. Use the old Power Fist 2-ton jacks. Support it. You should always have jack stands underneath, just in case the hydraulic jack fails. I'm just gonna lower it down. I can tell you right now, having those Black Rhino rims makes the TJ look extremely sexy now. It's got a nice stance to it. It sits up super high. I'm very impressed with it. It looks really sharp. I've got a few more things to do, and I can't wait to take this thing out wheeling. I think it's going to be an absolute blast. It's been over 10 years since I had this thing, and I'm almost near the end of the build. Look at that clearance. That looks really good. Alright, it's motherfucking beer time. I'm going to try to do this without coughing too much post-COVID. I'm going to tell you right now, if you've never had COVID, or if you've gotten lucky that it went easy on you, feel blessed, because it went pretty hard on me. I thought for sure I was going to have to go to the ER. The coughing waves were coming so hard, and I was coughing so much. I start to cough up blood. That's cleared up now. But my throat and my voice is still off because of the coughing. I can't taste. I can't smell. It's motherfucking beer time now. I'm going to have this Big Rock Pilsner, which is going to taste bland because that's just how it is after you've been sick. Anyways, cheers everybody. Feels cool. Can't really taste the beer. Nah, it's weird. It's actually really weird. I could drink like the most disgusting beer right now, and it wouldn't matter because I can't taste anything. So I got the tires on, which took forever because of getting sick. Excuse me. Oh, sweet. Might come back. But then, there's another issue I got to address. But I'm going to talk about that in the next video. I'm not sure what happened there, but... oh, excuse me. It's a pretty serious one, so that's got to be fixed. Anyways, I'm going to get going. If I talk too much, I start coughing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, cheers.